In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file from AWS S3. We'll go through each step together to make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible, so let's dive in. First, we'll start by opening up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one you usually use. Once your browser is ready to go, navigate to the AWS website. Simply type AWS into the address bar and hit Enter. This should bring up the main login page for Amazon Web Services. Next, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials. For some, it might be email and password, while others might use multi-factor authentication for added security, which requires an additional step, such as a code sent to your phone. If this is your first time, you might need to create an account, but for today, we'll assume you already have one set up. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself staring at the AWS Management Console. It's kind of like the control center of a spaceship, where all services are available for you to use. Our focus here is the S3 service. You could scroll through the list of available services, but there's a quicker way. Use the search bar at the top of the console and type in S3. This will filter down through the list and display the S3 service prominently for easy access. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the S3 section, you'll see a list of all the storage buckets you have. Think of a bucket like a container where your files and data are stored. Identify the bucket that contains the file you wish to download. If you have a lot of buckets, it might require some searching, or you can use the search functionality here as well to locate it faster. Once you've opened the specific bucket, look through the files until you find the one you're looking to download. At this point, AWS makes it easy. Simply click on the Download button within the console's interface. Make sure you take a moment to ensure that this is the correct file by verifying the name and attributes, as mistaken downloads can lead to confusion. As soon as you click that button, the file will start downloading directly to your local machine through your browser, like any other regular download. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a file from AWS S3. This process makes it easy to get the data you need, when you need it, right onto your own device. Remember to always double-check your downloads and keep your login information secure to protect your data. Thanks for joining me today, and happy downloading.